Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select sketch, select the plane, select circle, create two circles, dia 60, one more is dia 40. Select line, create both sides, give the tangent constraint here, trim the unwanted lines. Finish sketch, extrude, here select symmetric, thickness is 14 mm. Next select the plane, sketch. You can see one more circular part, outer dia 40, inner dia 20 and length is 80 mm. Select circle 40 and 20 mm. Here offset is 30 mm. Height is 70 mm. So finish sketch, extrude. Here select two side extrude. One side is 7 mm. This is 73. This is 7 mm. Sorry, reverse that. 7 and 73. Okay. Next select the plane, sketch, select line, create line like this, give the tangent constraint, select extend the lines. Finish sketch, extrude, select this, here select symmetric, thickness is 10 mm. Next you can see 34 mm width, height from the circle is 32 mm. For this we need to take one plane, select the plane, select this one and give the dimension 102 mm. Select plane, sketch, select project geometry, select this circle, here select rectangle, give the dimension here to here 30 mm, here to here 35 mm. Sorry, 34 mm. So finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction, here select up to next. Okay. Visibility of this plane, select this surface, sketch. You can see there 16 mm cutout, height is 10 mm. Select here slot, give the dimensions 16 mm. From here to here 9 mm. Here to here height is 10 mm. This length we can give, not required. Extrude, select this, reverse the direction through hole. Okay. Select fillet, dimension is 8 mm. select these two edges. Next there is a one rib, thickness is 10 mm. For that we need to take one plane, select the plane, select two edges, select plane now, sketch, select line, give the dimensions, this is 10 mm. Here to here 10 mm, this is 20. So finish sketch, select rib, select the line, thickness we want 10 mm. Visibility off, ISO view. So you can compare with the drawing, friends. I hope all the features are added. If anything is missing, please leave the comment below. Assign the material. I will go with aluminum 6061. Finishes. So you can choose as per your application. You can change with this also. Adjust, select the entire wheel. So like this it will take. If you want, you can assign like this also. So if you required, you can give any color, friends. So save the part wherever you want. So I will save my D folder. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoy this session, and also I am requesting again, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends.